Before we understood that radiation melts your jawbone, we thought it was a vitamin for your gums and teeth. In the 1940s, you didn't buy toothpaste for the minty flavor, you bought it for the Thorium X. It was marketed as biological life energy. Essentially, you weren't just brushing your teeth, you were inviting a tiny, localized Chernobyl to happen inside your mouth every morning. This, Gross Historians, is the true story of Doramad, the radioactive toothpaste.
Does your toothpaste leave you with only mediocre life energy? We have the cure. This is Doramad, radioactive toothpaste. It contains thorium, a radioactive metal, to charge your cells with new, vigorous life energy. Doramad promises polished enamel, destroyed germs, and special biological healing effects, all thanks to that invigorating radiation.
Here's where it really gets weird. During World War II, representatives of the Doramad company were sent to occupied France. And what was their job? Gather as much radioactive thorium as they could and bring it back to Germany.
Allied spies tracked this stockpile, fearing the Nazis were developing an atomic bomb. The shocking truth. Doramad scientists were just ensuring the end-of-war supply for their massive radioactive toothpaste monopoly. Now that's real atomic age thinking.
So what was the truth about this radioactive toothpaste? There is no vitality in thorium or Doramad. It doesn't stimulate circulation, it just irritates the capillaries until they burst. If you feel a warm tingle, that isn't health, that's your DNA folding under the pressure. Eventually, the remaining stock was buried in a lead-lined pit outside of Hamburg. It remains the only brand of toothpaste in history that requires a geological permit to exhume. Thanks for watching Gross Historians. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe, or leave a comment below. Stay curious, my friends, but most of all, stay gross.